Good morning students. Today we will discuss that is a concept as acceleration due to gravity of earth indicated as small g. For example, many times you might have seen the equation F is equal to mg, and here one object is there. Let us take it as a ball. Its mass is equal to what? M. And what is g? G is nothing but acceleration due to gravity. F equal to mg, force is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity. M is the mass of that object. And what is g? G is nothing but acceleration due to gravity of earth. What is the meaning of this acceleration due to gravity of earth? First of all, I would like to tell you what is the meaning of this sentence. Acceleration means g. G is nothing but acceleration. Due means because of gravity. Due means because of gravity, acceleration produced in the body or object is called as acceleration due to gravity. We will study about acceleration due to gravity of earth detailing, and also the g value for all the planets detailing we can discuss now. Before going to all those things, first you should know about what you mean by gravity. First of all, I would like to tell you one sentence that is very important. Keep in your mind. In this universe, all the planets, all the stars, all the space objects, in this universe, each and every object or every planet have the gravity. ಈ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುವಂಥ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಗ್ರಾವಿಟಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಅವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅ ಗ್ರಾವಿಟಿ, ದಟ್ ಬಿಗ್ ಸ್ಟೋನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅ ಗ್ರಾವಿಟಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅ ಗ್ರಾವಿಟಿ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಬಾಡಿಗೂ ಗ್ರಾವಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಯಾವ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮಾಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ? ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅ ಗ್ರಾವಿಟಿ. My body is also have the gravity, but it is very less compared to earth gravity, because earth mass is very heavy one, therefore its gravity is more, and my mass is very less compared to earth mass, therefore my gravity is less. You keep in your mind, in this universe each and every object has the gravity. All the planets have the gravity, all the stars have the gravity, sun have the gravity. And now what do you mean by gravity? This is very important. What do you mean by gravity? Gravity is nothing but, for example, I am taking example for earth now. With respect to of earth, I am going to define gravity of earth. What is gravity of earth? The earth attracting all the objects towards its center. Earth attracting all the objects towards its center. Objects towards its center. Towards its center is called as gravity of earth. Its center called gravity of earth. Called gravity of earth. Called gravity of earth. See now, it is the earth. See now, it is earth. This is earth center. Take one small object, small ball, to a certain height from the earth surface. This is our object. This is object. Take one small object from the earth surface, go to certain height and leave the object from your hand. Then suddenly you are observing this body is accelerating towards the center of the earth. ಒಂದು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಟೆನ್ ಹೈಟಿಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯಿಂದ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಲೀವ್ ದ ಬಾಡಿ ಟು ಎ ಸರ್ಟೆನ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಅರ್ತ್ and live at that point, then the body, what you are observing, this body is moving towards, means accelerating towards the center of the earth. Then the earth has capacity, a property to attract this body towards its center. That attracting property of this earth is called as gravity of earth. And take this body, go to certain height and leave it, and after that this ball is accelerating towards the earth center. Why it is moving, why it is accelerating towards the earth center? Because this earth has capacity or property to attract this body towards its center. That attracting property of this earth is called as gravity of earth. And take that body and go to certain height from, this is surface of earth, this is surface of earth, go to certain height, leave the body, and this body object is accelerating towards the center. ಅರ್ಥ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ತನ್ನ ಸೆಂಟರ್ದ ಕಡೆ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಅದ. ದ ಅರ್ತ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಆರ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಟು ಪುಲ್ ಈಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಬಾಡಿ, ಟು ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಈಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಬಾಡಿ towards its center. That attracting nature towards its center of earth is called as gravity of earth. Not only earth has this capacity, all the planets have this capacity. For example, if it is a moon, then go to moon surface. From the moon surface, take one body and go to certain height and live at that point, then that ball is again accelerating towards the moon center. Go to take another place, moon surface, go to certain height, leave the body, then the body is moving towards moon center. Means the moon is also have some capacity or property to attract all the bodies towards its center, is called as moon gravity. Go to Mercury as a planet. Let us take it as a Mercury. This is a different planet. From the surface of the Mercury, take one object, live here, then it is accelerating towards the center of Mercury. Then Mercury is also have the capacity to attract a body towards its center. That property of the Mercury is called as gravity of Mercury. Take a Jupiter. Let us go to Jupiter. This is a different planet. Go to Jupiter. From the surface of the Jupiter, take one object and live at a certain height. Then this ball is again accelerating towards the Jupiter center. Then Jupiter is also have the capacity or a property to attract this ball towards its center. Then Jupiter also have that attracting property, that is called as gravity of Jupiter. Each and every planet have that property. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಪ್ಲಾನೆಟ್ಗೆ ಗ್ರಾವಿಟಿ ಅದ. ಗ್ರಾವಿಟಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ನೇಚರ್ ಅರ್ಥಿಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸ್ ಈಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಬಾಡಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸ್ ಈಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಬಾಡಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಗ್ರಾವಿಟಿ. ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಅರ್ತ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್, ಅದು ಮೂನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್, ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್. ಈಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಪ್ಲಾನೆಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಗ್ರಾವಿಟಿ. Because of that gravity, the acceleration produced in these objects is called as acceleration due to gravity. Due means because of gravity, acceleration produced in the bodies objects is called as acceleration due to gravity. And next definition, what is acceleration due to gravity? Acceleration due to gravity of earth. What is the meaning of this one? It is the acceleration. What is acceleration? You know very well. Rate of change of velocity with respect to time. For example, leave the body here, from this point to this point it is moving with a certain speed and taking some time. Velocity by time is called as acceleration, g. And from this point to this point it is moving with again a different speed, and here to here it is taking a different time, velocity by time, then you are getting acceleration of the body. What is acceleration? Velocity divided by time. ಬಾಡಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದಾಗ ಅದ್ರ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್, ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್, ಟೈಮ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತದ ಹಂಗೆ ಅದ್ರ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಬಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗತ್ತದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಕ್ಸಲರೇಷನ್ ಆಗತ್ತದ. ದ ಬಾಡಿ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಲರೇಟಿಂಗ್. ಇಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬಾಡಿ ಈಸ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ with change in time, then the body is said to be accelerating. It is, I have to define acceleration due to gravity. It is the acceleration, it is the acceleration produced in the body, produced in objects, produced in objects because of earth gravity, because of earth gravity is called as acceleration due to gravity, is called as acceleration due to gravity, acceleration due to gravity. Its value for earth, due to gravity, its value for earth is 9.81 meter per second square. For earth, g value is equal to 9.81 meter per second square. This is for earth. Let us consider this is the earth, this is earth, this is earth. Let us take one small object. This is earth surface. You are standing here, take one object to a certain height and leave the object, then this object is moving. Then let us take another point here to here. What is its speed? That is v. And here to here, how much time the ball is taking? That is t. Velocity by time you calculate, that is g. You are getting how much? 9.81 meter per second square. And again this point to this point, in this region its speed, that is v, take v, and here to here how much time it is taking, that is small t. Velocity by time you calculate, you are getting 9.81 meter per second square. Again from this point to this point, how much speed it is taking, that is v, and e point ಇಂದ e point ಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡದ, that is t. Velocity by time, that is called as how much you are getting, 9.81 meter square. ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದಾಗ ಅದರ ಎಕ್ಸಲರೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದ, 9.81 meter per second square. Just you imagine yourself, the earth is not having gravity. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಅರ್ತಿಗೆ ಗ್ರಾವಿಟಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, just you can imagine the earth is not having any gravity, then what will happen? Let us take one object and leave it. Condition, just think yourself, ಹಾಗೆ just imagine ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಅರ್ತಿಗೆ ಗ್ರಾವಿಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ನಾ ಒಂದು ಬಾಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಟನ್ ಹೈಟಿಗೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಹೊಂಟಿದ್ದೀನ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನ. Earth is not having any gravity, then earth is not attracting this ball towards its center because it is not having gravity. The earth is not having gravity in the sense that earth is not attracting this ball towards its center. If it is not attracting, then what will happen? This ball is not moving, that ball is not accelerating. Then what is acceleration in the body? The acceleration in the body is equal to 0. ಅರ್ತಿ ಗ್ರಾವಿಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಅರ್ಥ ಅದನ್ನು ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಆವಾಗ ಆ ಬಾಲ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಬಾಲ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸಲರೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ಯದ, 0. Then again, yes, now the condition, earth have the gravity, yes, that is real, earth having the earth gravity ada. It is real. Earth have the gravity. Let us take the ball to a certain height, and this earth attracting that ball in downward direction towards its center. ಅವಾಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತದ, ಆ ಬಾಲ್ನ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಕಡೆ ಎಳಿತದ. ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪ್ನಿಂಗ್? ದ ಬಾಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಲ್ರೇಟಿಂಗ್. ದ ಬಾಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಲ್ರೇಟಿಂಗ್. ಎಸ್, ದ ಬಾಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಲ್ರೇಟಿಂಗ್. ಬಾಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಲ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ನ್ಯಾಗ ಅದ್ರ ಎಕ್ಸಲ್ರೇಷನ್ ಎಷ್ಟದ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್? 9.81 ಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. If earth is not having gravity, what is the acceleration of the body? Zero. The ball is not moving down. Then because of earth gravity, ball is accelerating, right? Therefore the acceleration produced in the body because of earth gravity. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಗ್ರಾವಿಟಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸಲರೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಾಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ದ ಬಾಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅರ್ತ್ ಗ್ರಾವಿಟಿ. ಅರ್ತ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್, ದ ಬಾಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್, the acceleration produced in the body is equal to 9.81 meter per second square. The acceleration produced in the body because of which reason? Because of what reason? Because of gravity of the earth. If the earth is not having gravity, then the acceleration of this body becomes zero. The body have the acceleration, that is why? Because of gravity of earth. Therefore the name they have given, acceleration produced in the body because of gravity of earth. ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಬಾಡಿನ ಅರ್ತ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ದಿಂದ ಸರ್ಟನ್ ಹೈಟಿಗೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಆ ಬಾಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸಲರೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದ, ಕೆಳಗೆ ಫಾಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತದ. ಅವಾಗ ನೀವು ಹೋಗಿ ಆ ಬಾಡಿದ ಎಕ್ಸಲರೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ 9.81 ಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್. This is acceleration due to gravity of earth. And let us take another example. Let us take, this is for acceleration due to gravity regarding earth. And I want to take a moon. Let us take, this is a moon. This is moon. This one is moon. Moon is also have the gravity, but moon gravity is less than earth gravity. Keep in your mind. ಗ್ರಾವಿಟಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಯಾವುದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಅದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಸದ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಅದ. ಯಾವ ಪ್ಲಾನೆಟ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಆ ಪ್ಲಾನೆಟ್ ಗ್ರಾವಿಟಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರ್ತದ. ದ ಮೂನ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಮಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಅರ್ತ್. ದ ಮಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಅರ್ತ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್, ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರಾವಿಟಿ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್. ದ ಮಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮೂನ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್, ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರಾವಿಟಿ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್. ಟೇಕ್ ಒನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಸೇಮ್ ಒನ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಎ ಸರ್ಟನ್ ಹೈಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ and leave the object here. It has a gravity. Yes, it has a gravity. The moon is attracting this ball towards its center. Whenever this object is accelerating towards the center of the moon, if you calculate its acceleration, if you calculate the acceleration produced in the body, how much you are getting? 1.62 meter per second square. This is G for acceleration produced in the body due to not earth, moon. This is acceleration produced in this body because of which gravity? Earth gravity. That's why the name acceleration due to gravity of earth. This is acceleration produced in this ball because of moon gravity. Per earth gravity is more, the moon gravity is less, because earth attracting more, moon attracting less. That's why ball is slowly moving, object is moving very fast. The object having the acceleration is equal to 1.62. Therefore this is acceleration produced due to moon. And take another example. I am giving another example. Let us take, this is Mercury. This is Mercury. Mercury is also a planet. Among a list of 8 planets, this is the first one. Let us take, it is also having the gravity. Let us take the object to a certain height. Let us take the object to a certain height and leave the object. What is happening? Mercury is attracting the body towards its center. Yes, of course, it is having the gravity. and whenever this ball is moving in downward direction towards the center of the earth, if you measure, if you calculate the acceleration produced in this body, then how much it is? You are getting the value is equal to 3.59 meter per second square. G is less. What is G? G is nothing but acceleration produced in this body because of which gravity? Because of Mercury gravity. Therefore, G is called as acceleration due to Mercury. And this acceleration is less as compared with that of the earth, because earth mass is more, therefore gravity of the earth is more, therefore G value for earth is more. And here Mercury acceleration 3.59 meter per second square, because its mass is less compared to earth, therefore it is having a less gravity than earth, therefore its acceleration produced in the object because of the Mercury gravity will less, that is 3.59 meter per second square. Like that, we'll see how much is the acceleration of the objects because of different planets. Detailedly we study, and are you understanding this one? And we'll see one by one about all the planets now. You please note down this one. Okay, we'll see now the acceleration due to gravity of all the planets, because the G value is not same for all the planets. And as you know very well, how many planets are there? And except Pluto, there are serially 8 planets, the list we have now. Particularly each and every planet, how much it is having the G value, that one we can see. The first one is Mercury. The first one is a Mercury. This is nearer planet to the sun, as you know very well. Let us take, for Mercury, G value is equal to 3.59 meter per second square. Let us take, this is a Mercury. This is a Mercury, and this is Mercury center. It has a gravity. It is having a gravity. Take one object to a certain height and leave it. This is the object. This object is accelerating towards the center of Mercury. Whenever it is accelerating towards the center, if you calculate how much acceleration is produced in this object, then you are getting the answer is exactly 3.59 meter per second square. And go to second one, that is Venus. The second is a Venus, and for Venus the G value is equal to that is 8.87 meter per second square. And the acceleration gravity for Venus is more as compared with Mercury, because its mass is more and gravity is more. Therefore this is a Venus. This is a Venus. From the surface, take one object to a certain height and leave it. This object is moving towards the center of the Venus. Whenever it is accelerating towards center, if you calculate what is the acceleration produced in this object, you are getting exactly is equal to 8.87 meter per second square. Therefore it is acceleration due to gravity for Venus. And go to third one, Earth. For Earth, as you know very well, the G value for Earth is equal to 9.81 meter per second square. For Earth, let us take, it is a Earth. The size of the Earth is greater as compared with this. More the mass, more the gravity. Therefore it is a Earth. From the surface, take one object to a certain height and leave this object. Whenever this object is accelerating in downward direction, check its acceleration. Its acceleration, you are exactly getting it as 9.81 meter per second square. More mass, more gravity, and the object is moving very fast compared to those two cases. That is 9.81 meter per second square. And go to next one is a Mars. Mars. Then Mars gravity is equal to, that is again 3.77 meter per second square. Let us take, this is a Mars, and if you take one object to a certain height and leave this object, it is moving in downward direction, accelerating, and acceleration of this object becomes, because of Mars gravity, the acceleration produced in this object, that is exactly equal to 3.77 meter per second square. And go to next one. After Mars, that is Jupiter. The G value for Jupiter is more compared to all the planets because it's very big planet. Jupiter is very big. Let us take the object to a certain height and leave it. It is whenever it is accelerating towards the center of the Jupiter, the acceleration produced in the Jupiter, if you calculate that G value, it will become 25.95 meter per second square. The object is moving very fast because its mass is more, its gravity is more, therefore it is attracting with more energetically, therefore this body is accelerating very fast. Therefore for G value for Jupiter is more. And go to next one, Saturn. Go to next one, that is Saturn. And for Saturn, G value is equal to 11.08 meter per second square. This is somewhat greater than that of the Earth. This is Saturn. And take an object to a certain height and leave it. It is accelerating in downward. If you check the acceleration of the body, exactly you are getting the G value for Saturn is equal to 11.08 meter per second square. This is lesser than that of the Jupiter, but more than all these planets, but lesser than Jupiter. And go to next one, that is after Saturn, next one is Uranus. For Uranus, the G value is equal to 10.67 meter per second square. Let us take it is a Uranus. This is a Uranus, and take one object to a certain height and leave it. It is whenever it is moving in downward direction, if you check its acceleration of the body, it will become 10.67, that is more than Earth but lesser than Saturn and that of the Jupiter. And last one you take, that is a Neptune. For Neptune, that is somewhat more compared to Uranus. The G value for Neptune is, that is 14.07 meter per second square. Let us take, this is a Neptune. Its size is somewhat more as compared with Uranus but lesser than that of the Jupiter as a planet. Take an object to a certain height and leave it, and it is falling, and check its acceleration. It will become 14.07 meter per second square. And next one is a Pluto. The Pluto is not a planet. It is not a planet. In 2006, they are removed from the list of the planet because its mass is very small as compared with the mass of all these planets. Ella planet ge compare madadaga Pluto mass enada, it's very small one. Therefore let us take, this is a Pluto. Take one object from the Pluto, leave it. It is accelerating towards the center of the Pluto. If you check its acceleration, it becomes just 0.42. G is equal to just 0.42 for Pluto. It is very small in size, mass is very less, gravity is less, therefore G value just 0.42. But now it is not a planet because why they removed from the list of the planet? Its mass is very less. Mass kadimi irodrinda adanna planet anteli consider madilla. Now you are studying how many that is planets, only 8. And this is extra for you. And for us, moon is not a planet, it is just a natural satellite to the Earth. Moon is also having gravity, and whenever the object is falling towards the moon, if you check its acceleration, it become 1.62 meter per second square. And for that of the sun, for sun is highest to 74.13 meter per second square. G value for sun is highest, but sun is not a planet. Moon is 1.62, but moon is not a planet. But in this universe, each and every planet, every star, sun, satellites, whatever it is, all they have a gravity. Therefore, for Mercury, acceleration due to gravity of Mercury is 3.59 meter per second square. The object is slowly moving towards the center of Mercury. And for Venus, the acceleration due to gravity of Venus is 8.87 meter per second square. Its mass is more than this one. Its gravity is more. The body is moving very fast compared to this case. And that of the Earth, 9.81 meter per second square. Its mass is more compared to these two. And if the body, if you live at a certain height, it is moving very fast compared to these two cases. And that of the Mars is 3.37. This is acceleration due to gravity of Mars. This is acceleration due to gravity of Jupiter. For among all the planets, the G value for Jupiter is highest, because its mass is very high. It is huge planet. Its mass is too high and gravity is high. That's why if you take a ball to a certain height and leave it, suddenly this ball is moving very fast. It is falling very fast in downward direction because of a high gravity of Jupiter. And for Saturn, the Z value for Saturn is 11.08 meter per second square. Therefore, this G is called as acceleration produced in the body because of which gravity? Saturn. It is a G value for Uranus. And this is acceleration due to gravity of Neptune. This is acceleration due to gravity of Pluto. This is acceleration due to gravity of Moon. This is acceleration due to gravity of Sun. The Sun is highest, that is 274.13 meter per second square. And in the first year topic you have one, the gravitation topic is there. In that topic, this basic knowledge is required for you, but you need not to be remember the G value for all the planets. That is not need to remember, but just you have to remember the acceleration due to gravity for Earth. G for Earth 9.81 meter per second square. Take a certain body to a certain height, leave it. That body is, whenever it is moving in downward direction, if you check the acceleration produced in that body, how much you are getting? 9.81 meter per second square. And for all the planets, the different G is there because of different gravity of all the planets. The G is different. Therefore, you please remember for Earth, the acceleration produced in the body because of Earth gravity, that is 9.81 meter per second square. And whenever we are doing the calculations in physics subject, this G knowledge is required everywhere. You please remember this one for your examination purpose, and for knowledge purpose you have to remember. This is as your wish, but you have to remember for Earth. Okay, thank you.